Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part 2 of this. The other way he was trying to do it, and I thought I would just share, the only disadvantage in doing this way, I don't think you can get, if you look on mine that I did, that black equals that black in the corner. You could do it, but it would take you longer. So this way you don't have to rotate let me just start over. Take a line, 2-point line, make sure it's pretty long, and rotate it 45 degrees, and then put it on the corner. And then go up to Windows, Dockers, and Transform, and right here is the positioning. And I'm going to go with the X and the Y, 5, and I'm going to put 20. It would be more than enough. And even if it goes past, it's fine. So that's pretty easy, with the exception of right here. It's not exactly on that corner. So that's why I would do it my way with the blend. Now you could probably figure that out, but by the time you figure it out, we could go 4.9, and you might get it close to that corner, but you're not going to be perfect. Now you could move your box, but to me, it's just not worth it. You could move your box up a little bit and over where those two corners match. And really, like right here, it's not going to match. So the easier way to do it is really the way I did it part 1. But I just wanted to show off the transformation dockers. And as always, yours might say transform like mine, but older versions, it was transformation, which is a very, it didn't matter if we made more or less lines, you could have too many and they just run off the edge. So let's go back to where we were, and let's just do 4, make them a little smaller. And see, this time we don't have enough because they're that far apart. So you could just back up and go, well, let's do 25 and hit apply. But once again, it's not in that corner. So if you're watching this and you didn't watch part 1, the blend tool is going to make everything perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.